All right, guys, so we got some more Harbor Freight coupons that just dropped. These are February 10th through Sunday, February 23rd. So let's go ahead and check out, see what these new coupons are. All right, so first up for air tools and compressors, we got the Fortress 6-gallon 175 PSI pancake compressor, 140 for that. And then we also got the McGraw 6-gallon. This one's only 150 PSI. That one's $100. Got the Merlin pistol grip inflator. This has the analog gauge on it, which is always nice to have. $40. And then we got the Earthquake XT. This is the 1/2-inch ultra torque air impact wrench, twin hammer, 1,500 foot-pounds, $140 for that one. If you're looking for something a little bit cheaper, they do have the McGraw 1/2-inch air impact wrench. This one is $40. And this one's going to deliver up to 900 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. So not too bad, only for $40. Jump into the automotive. We got the 3-ton low-profile floor jack by Pittsburgh. This one has the rapid pump for $120. Now, if you guys aren't interested in the low-profile style of the Pittsburgh jack, during the parking lot sale, you'll be able to get the Pittsburgh standard 3-ton jack with rapid pump right around $90. So that's pretty good savings there if you're not interested in the low profile style of jack. Next to that, we got the Pittsburgh 1,500-pound ATV or motorcycle lift for $110. We got the battery operated liquid transfer pump for $8. And then we also got the 60-piece fuse assortment, only $7 for that. Those are always nice to pick up, keep in your car just in case you blow a fuse. We got the Daytona 12-ton jack stands for $140. Maddox front wheel drive, a bearing remover and installer kit, 21-piece for $90. Getting $30 off on that. This was $120. And then we also got the Maddox body and fender set. This is a 7-piece. I actually own this. Really good set for some body work. Only $40. And then all the way to the right, we got the digital inspection camera for $70. If you guys are really looking to save some money, they usually have these cameras on Amazon for a really cheap price. We got the Badlands 2,500-pound ATV winch. This has the wire rope and it has the wireless remote, which really comes in handy for $70. You got the bungee cords for $6. This is a 12-piece Hallmaster loading ramps for $66.99, 21% off. Those are $84. And then all the way to the right, we got the Badlands Apex winch, one of their best winches, 12,000-pound capacity. It's got the steel rope and also has the wireless remote coming in at $530. So you're getting $50 off on that. Next up, we got the magnetic LED towing light kit. It says this is wireless, coming in at $120. And then next to that, we got the 10,000-pound drop leg trailer jack for $130. Jump into some generators and plumbing. So right here, we got the Predator 6.5 horsepower gas engine. So this is $120 with this coupon, but I wanted to bring something to your guys' attention. I did a video not too long ago about a leaked parking lot sale. If you guys haven't seen that video, I make sure I link it at the end of this video. So it's going to be all the deals for the next parking lot sale that's coming up in March. And during that parking lot sale, if you guys can hold out, they're going to have this 6.5 horsepower Predator engine all the way down to $100, which is a really good deal. Next to that, we got the automatic fed drain cleaning drum machine for $349.99. This was $400. We got the semi-trash water pump for $350, so you're getting $50 off on that. And then here's another Bauer deal, handheld electric drain cleaner. This is another item that they got during the parking lot sale, and this is going to be, I think, about $10 cheaper. So if that's another item that you can wait out till March, you'll be able to pick that up for a little bit cheaper during the parking lot sale. They also got the 1-inch clear water pump for $200, the 3/4 horsepower utility pump for $170. And then we got the Jupiter 3000 watt modified sine wave power inverter for $280. You got some hand tools. We got the 10-inch adjustable wrench by Pittsburgh for $4. These are pretty nice. The Doyle 8-inch bolt and wire cutters for $5. Also a good pickup are these Doyle 8-inch long nose pliers for $10. And then for you Icon fans, we got the 1/2-inch drive flex head ratchet coming in at $42. Got the Quinn 15-piece screwdriver set for $23, another good pickup. And then right here for $125, we got the 1/2-inch drive professional split beam torque wrench by Icon. We got the Pittsburgh service wrench set, 15-piece, your choice, SAE or metric for $45. And then we got the Icon 3/8-inch gold-plated ratchet for $45. Another Doyle product. This is the heavy-duty ratcheting crimper for $15. And then we got the Pittsburgh punch and chisel set, 12-piece for $13. Next up, we'll jump into the lighting and specialty. So we got some anchors and screws, 206-piece by Storehouse for $3. Comes in a nice little case. Got the Vanguard 25-foot outdoor extension cord for $15. Braun 400 lumen rechargeable spotlight for $15. And then next up is the dual head halogen work light for $30. If you guys are looking for something better, definitely try to go with the LED version. Those will be a little bit more expensive, but it's going to be a better quality, and those are going to last you a lot longer. Got the Union Safe for $20. Definitely a really cheap, affordable way to store some valuables. This is going to be pretty tiny, but like I said, if you don't have a lot to store, got some passports, maybe throw some money in there. For $20, not a bad deal. Got the staple gun for $10. The rivet assortment, 500-piece for $5. And then we got the Pittsburgh jumbo aluminum hook carabiner for $1. And then another item that comes in pretty handy are these grommets. Say if you're running some wires through a firewall or a piece of metal, definitely need to use some grommets. 180-piece for only $3. Here's another item. I got a few of these in the shop. This is the Franklin 1,000-pound hardwood dolly for only $10. Really makes moving heavy equipment around your shop a lot easier. Got the 10-inch pneumatic tire for $6. Some Hardy gloves. Another popular item at Harbor Freight for only $5. This is the Hunter Pack. Another 10-inch tire. This one has the black hub for $6. And then we got a couple more Hardy gloves. Got the cut-resistant work gloves for $4. And then we got the cowhide gloves for $6. Jump into some outdoor items. Got the heavy-duty weather-resistant tarp for $8. This is 6 foot by 8 foot. And then here is another item that they're going to be having at the parking lot sale. This is the Portland pressure washer. Right now, with this coupon, it's $80, but during the parking lot sale, this is going to be about $10 cheaper, coming in at $69.99. So another item, if you can wait till the parking lot sale, be able to save yourself a few bucks. Got the magnesium fire starter for $1.30. And then the Cover Pro portable car canopy, 10 foot by 20 foot for $110. This is going to be a very low budget spotting scope. Not one that I would particularly recommend, but for this one, it's coming in at $43. You got the Bauer forced air propane heater for $85. Nice way to heat up your garage or shop. And then we got the binoculars. Another low-end quality binocular set for $15. Another item I wouldn't recommend. And then we got the Atlas string trimmer for $70. Tool only on that. Got the blower for $65. Another tool only, so you're going to need batteries with these. And then we got 1,200-pound capacity utility cart. These are built pretty heavy duty for $150. And then another tool only for the Atlas. This is the 10-inch pole saw for $70. Jump into some power tools. Here's the 9-amp 1/2-inch D-handle drill for $40 by Bauer. Not too bad. We got some Meguiar's mirror glaze for $25. Hercules diamond blade 14-inch for $120. We got the brush for $15. We got the Hercules bimetal hole saw kit. This is the 13-piece for $50. And then another deal they're having at the parking lot sale is they're going to have all the Hercules corded power tools 30% off. So another item, if you guys can hold out to the parking lot sale in March, you'll be able to pick this up at a little bit cheaper price. But for this super coupon, we're looking at $85. We got the Diamondback 7-inch tile saw for $170. Hercules impact driver bit set 45-piece for $19. Also got the Hercules circular saw beam cutter attachment for $50. The Warrior 12-volt rotary tool kit. This also comes with a 19-piece accessory kit for $25. You guys looking for a cheap angle grinder? $10 for the Warrior. Can't go wrong on that. And then we got the Bauer 10-amp rotary hammer for 85 bucks. Next up, we got the Bauer 5-inch hook and loop sanding discs, available in a bunch of different grits, all the way from 40 grit to 220 grit for $4. Got the Hercules router bit for $7. Another corded power tool by Hercules. You can wait to that parking lot sale, like I said earlier, 30% off. $44.99 with this super coupon. And then we got the Bauer 6.5 amp compact router for $50. And then we also got the Warrior micro engraver for $8.29. Jump into Shop and Garage. Here's the 20-ton H-frame floor shop press at $200. This is pretty much the running price that this gets to, even during the parking lot sale. This is going to be $200. So if this is something you're looking for, go ahead and pick it up. We got the Pittsburgh manual tire changer for $50. The Machete by Gordon for $5. Drop cloth for $7. And then we got the Quinn putty knife scraper set. This is a 4-piece for $10. Jump into some storage. We got the 50 caliber ammo box. This is $10.99, so not a bad deal. Even during the parking lot sale, you will only be able to pick this up for about $1 cheaper. US General 18-inch magnetic tool holder for $2. And then we got the Bauer large modular toolbox for $35. Here's a nice way to organize your socket. It's the US General 3/8-inch drive magnetic socket holder for $15. This was $19.99, so pretty good discount on that. Another ammo box. This is the 30 caliber for $10. Nice 17-inch Hercules tool tote with 19 pockets for $28. And then if you guys are looking for something cheaper, they got the Voyager 25 pocket tool bag for $10. And then if you guys are looking for a way to organize your wrenches, here is the US General 15-slot magnetic wrench rack. This was $22.99, and they brought the price down to $18.99. And then another US General item is this folding side tray for the 4-drawer tech cart. Not sure if this works with the 5-drawer for $15. And this is available in 6 different colors. Jump into some welding and machinery. We've got the titanium auto darkening welding helmet, $62.99. This was $79.99. We got some welding wire for $30. Quick release bar clamp by Pittsburgh. This is a 6-inch for only $3. Not a bad pickup there. 3-inch C-clamp for $3. You got some Chicago Electric solder for $3. These nylon clamps come in pretty handy when doing a project. Only 90 cents for that. And then we got the Vulcan welding wire 11-pound roll for $30. All right, guys, just quick run through of the new coupons. These are the super coupons for Harbor Freight from February 10th all the way to February 23rd. Like I said earlier, I did post a video for the new leaked ad for the parking lot sale in March. If you guys are interested in that, I'll make sure I link this at the end of this video. A lot of good deals going on for the next parking lot sale, so check out that video. Hopefully you found this video informative. If you did, smash that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Until the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.